Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, transferring Ethereum from Binance to Revolut is a smart move for managing your assets. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and Revolut. Verification is key for security and to avoid any delays. If you haven't set them up yet, head over to their apps or websites and complete the process. It only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Open your Binance app or website and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select Ethereum from your assets. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Click on Withdraw for Ethereum. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch to your Revolut app, go to the Crypto tab, select Ethereum, and copy your unique wallet address. Double-check this address to prevent any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Back in Binance, paste the Revolut wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. In 2025, fees might be lower thanks to improved blockchain tech, but always review them before proceeding. Step 4. Hit Review to see the details. Make sure everything looks correct, including the address and amount. If you're all set, confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to verify it with two-factor authentication for added security. Step 5. Sit back and wait. Transactions usually process in a few minutes, but it could take up to an hour depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates. Once it's complete, open your Revolut app and check your Ethereum balance. It should be there. Always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling extra protections. That's it for this guide. You've just mastered transferring Ethereum in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.